Let's talk Ideogram and their brand new release of Canvas. Traditionally, when we make AI art, video, or whatever, we type in a text prompt or use an image prompt, and the images appear in like a feed. With Ideogram and Canvas, they've created this large canvas where you can basically generate and do all your editing in one space in a much more interactable sense. Of course, you can generate an image, but you can now iterate, expand, edit, modify that image all in that one spot and use the canvas as a bit of like a storyboard. It's almost like you have a piece of paper and you're drawing on it, but instead of that, you're generating AI art, and it's fantastic for ideation and creating those visual ideas. Great use case that I found was it's great for making storyboards. So if you do use your art to make into movies, this is a great way to start storyboarding with AI in a way that really is much more visually pleasing for you. So in this case here, I started with this one image of a mountain, and I was able to quickly remix and replicate that style with ideograms to create different scenes with the same color palette, with the same surroundings, using the same text prompt over and over again. And you can see here that we have created very short little storyboard, which could potentially be the starting of like maybe like an AI film or an AI movie. The canvas, it's easy to expand, and obviously generative expand is across many tools, but with Ideogram Canvas, it's so easy to make that first image and then just drag it out and watch it generate something completely new around it in a much more seamless way. This is really fun to do, and you can just go as large as you want and let Ideogram do the rest for you. Of course, make edits to your photos as well, and this is really easy to do. And what I love is that you can combine different things. So if you want to expand and then edit, go for it. And there's different ways to do it. You can draw on it. You can use the lasso tool to add different things to your scene and to your image all in that one place. Since it's a canvas, you can drag things around, you can work on things in this corner and then say, okay, I'll park that for a bit and move across and work on something in a different corner. It's like a big whiteboard where you can do anything on, and I think it's just such a more fun and visually pleasing way to work with AI art in general. Canvas feature is awesome, and I think it's a great move from Ideogram to kind of stand out a little bit compared to all the other AI art tools out there, because it just becomes a different way to present your work and for you to create things. And I think the more options for that, the better. I really recommend you go check out Ideogram Canvas. I think it's great.